Good morning, Titi. How are you? What are you doing? Look. Hi everyone. Thank you very much for watching my video and for subscribing to my YouTube channel. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please click the subscribe button. In this video, I just want to show you Tweety is doing her morning walk. It's Sunday morning. This is what she does. She just like to walk around the house, and yeah, it's good for their exercise. The thing is, and Noel is up there. It's we don't really cage them that much during the day because they're trained. Once they get tired, they will go back. Come here, Titi. Step up. Oh, you don't want that? Come here, Titi. Step up. Step up. There you go. Say hi, everyone. Good morning. How are you, everyone? Yes. Yeah, Titi is tame. She's really cute. Are you okay, Titi? So say good morning, everyone. Hi, everyone. Yeah, I'm not gonna be in the video this morning. What happened is morning time is a good bonding time with your parakeet because they slept all night, and during that time they actually miss you. They don't really what do you call that? Because they didn't see you when they're sleeping. So in the morning is the good time when you wake up, have a playtime with them, and Tweety is like male, I think. I think she just look at this. It's their exercise time, and they will and make sure that you have plenty of toys, and that's Tweety right there. Like we have a lot of toys in Polly's cage. The thing is, this parakeet, they don't really like to hang out in their own cage, which is weird. Hi, Titi. What are you doing there? What in the world are you doing? Yeah, that's actually it's fine. That's her exercise. It keeps her alive longer. The thing is, you want your parakeet to be able to exercise so they can uh, live longer. That's a form of exercise, I guess. Tweety has been with us since 2013, so anything to keep her alive longer, I just let her do it. What is it, Tweety? Yeah, the thing is, with Parakeet and Conure, they got bored. So look, we have a lot of toys in the cage. I mean, different toys. Like, they'll really love this one here. And they really like this one here. Look this. I'm gonna play. And Tweety loves me just playing with the she likes me doing this since she was little. It's just like, what is it doing? She doesn't like to play it herself, but she likes me to roll the wheel for her. So yeah, it's so funny. What is it, Tweety? Yeah, it's very important to have this rock for their beak, because what happened is they use this rock right here to trim their beak, and this one and different kind of perches. See, like we have a different perches for the cage. There's like, and make sure that you have a lot of toys, like things that make sound. They really like that stuff. Come here, Titi. Come here, darling. Come on. And yes, so yes, Titi, are you okay? You're so sweet this morning. You're so sweet. Thank you for being so sweet. Yeah, it's morning time. It's very important for your parakeet. We call it the playtime. Before I go to work, I usually spend time with them. With my current job, it's really hard because I have to go to work really early. I wake up around like 3 a.m. and drive to work, and I get there probably around. My job is really far. It's like 2 hours away from home. So yeah, so on Saturday and Sunday, I'll try to bond with them because I don't want them to get, you know, I don't want them to become sad because I'm not home all the time. Yes, Titi, what is it? Are you alright? Hello. Yeah, it's really nice, and it's really important to keep your parakeets active in the morning to keep them healthy. And yeah, look at this thing. Yeah, see, look at this birdie. Hi, darling. How are you? Are you alright? Are you alright? Are you alright? Look at the camera. Don't be scared. I love you. Oh, I love you. Oh, yeah. It's really good to keep your parakeets active so they'll be healthy. Yeah, we don't cage our bird that much. Look at their the setting of Tweety and Noel's cage. We make sure that they have plenty of toy. And hi, Noel. How are you, darling? See, yeah. See that we wrap the perch with some string there. They like to chew on the string. They just like to chew on this toy and make sure they have water. And parakeet, they get bored and they don't really like being in the cage. I feel really sad sometimes when I go to someone's house and their parakeets are being caged like 24/7 because they can. They don't like to be caged like for 24/7. Look at this. Hi, Noel. How are you? Hi, darling. Say hi to everyone. Hi to everyone. Hi. See, we got this bell. And then we like to keep them active. And we have some millet, food, toys. I mean, yeah, with mirror, they're very, what do you call it, territorial. So I bought them 2 mirror. One is for Noel, the green one. One is for Tweety. Used to belong to Sunny. Sunny was yellow. And the green one is for Sky because they fought. They fought for the mirror, so we have to buy 2. And we have hanging toys for them to chew. Yeah, it's important to have toy for them to chew. Hi, Noel. What are you doing, Noel? Why are you going back inside the cage? You need to exercise. And Tweety is back here again. What's up, Tweety? Are you alright, darling? Are you alright? So, yeah, anyway, yes. Thank you very much, guys, for watching my video. And for subscribing to my YouTube channel. I'm just gonna get Tweety out. Yeah, come on, Tweety. So, yeah, that's very important to keep your bird active in the morning. So they'll be healthy. Are you alright, Tweety? There you go. There you go. Alright. I'll see you guys later. And love you guys. Bye.